This is Mom, rough roading, and Roxie.
You better hope we don't meet anybody. You're going to see rough roading.
This is Roxie's first time doing what she's meant to do. Out on the dirt roads. I can't see the lake.
I'm going to go through here really fast if I don't need it. Ah!
They're walking. Go, Roxie, go! The camera is everywhere.
I've got like white knuckle grip on my.
Mom's a little scared. Say hi, Leah. People laughing at us because we're women trying to
This is perfect.
Okay, take a good look at that. Pretty bad.
Ah! This is bad. This is really bad.
Back up, and then you're going to go over to this side.
Oh my God, you guys, we're going to die.
No, it's fine.
Oh my
Look,
God, I'm so
there's
fucking freaking
plenty
out.
of room over there. Just back up some. And then just go right there. Go, Mom, she's coming. So.
Please don't give away. Please don't give away. Please don't give
You'll
away.
be fine.
You guys got your seatbelts on?
Nope. Just make sure you don't go close to the edge over here. That's second foot. It's better to go on those rocks.
Yeah. I'm just afraid I'm going to bottom out. It's going to tear
No,
my
you're
up.
not.
Or I'm going to flip.
It's not gonna flip.
Because you can't get both wheels up there. Oh my God.
You're fine.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I'll never bring her again.
Roxie's loving it. You just don't know. She could talk. She would say, "This is what I meant to do." Owner.
She'd be saying yeehaw. Is that what she's saying?
She would say, "Woohoo!"
Oh my gosh, we're almost out.
Oh
no.
Just wait, buddy.
Who's going to go where?
You're gonna go to the right. You're gonna go up on the hill.
Huh?
You're gonna go over on this hill. He needs to actually back up.
I can't. Doesn't.
Go
Okay,
up
I can
and then
into
back
that.
up. Okay, that's pretty much the end of rough riding.